Good morning or afternoon, everyone. It's good to see you here. I'm going to talk really quickly about how to create an Edpuzzle. Okay, so before we start, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, it's really appreciated, and comment below on any Edpuzzles that you've created and how easy you found them. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice is that I'm on YouTube, and up in the top right hand corner I've got a few of my extensions, but you'll see here that is the Edpuzzle extension. So you want to install that first of all. Okay, once you've done that, down underneath the video you have the option to edit with Edpuzzle. So we're going to click that. So I've taken my YouTube video here that I created and I'm going to edit that with Edpuzzle. So once this loads up, we've got the options to, I've already logged in my account, we've got the options to cut the video, to put a voiceover, or to add questions. So we're going to click questions. Okay, now I have the option to add in multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, or add in any notes as well. So I'm going to hit play, and I'm going to go to where I think roughly my first question is. Oh, just missed it. There we go. That's, I know the face of it, my thinking face. So we want to add in our first question. I know from my video that I'm asking what this last sound is in cat. At cat. So I'm going to hit multiple choice question. Let's pull me over to this side. There we go. It's a bit easier. My question. I wonder what the last sound is. Probably a full stop. There we go. I wonder what the last sound is. Now I can choose to add in a few other answers, which I'm going to do. I like to have 4 answers for my pupils to choose from, and you can choose what the right answer is here. So I'm going to decide that this is going to be my correct answer here. So let's see. The final sound, is it a d? Is it a k? Is it a t? Or b? We know that the correct answer is t. Okay, now a few other things here you can do. You can add in feedback for your pupils if they click that answer. We're not going to do that here for the classes that we've got. You can add in another choice, or you can hit save. So we're going to hit save. So now, when the video gets to this time marker, we will see this multiple choice question come up. I wonder what the last sound is, and we know that the answer is t, because we're creating it, but the pupils don't see that green arrow. So they would just have to click that and then hit continue. I can then skip forward to the next one. You can see I've got my thinking face on there, and I'm going to hit multiple choice question again. I'm going to type in, I wonder what the last sound is. We'll stop, and I'm going to choose, let's go for, we'll add in other answers. Let's go for the final answer as being correct. So we've got g, we've got s, I'm just making up answers now, and a. Okay, so the children can choose the correct answer. From there, we're going to hit save, and now you'll see this pops up. We know that g is the correct answer, and we hit continue. Now, underneath my video, I can see the points. Let's move this over. Where the questions will come on and arise. I can click on those to see what the question is as the author of the Edpuzzle. Now, down the left as well, I can see the timestamps for when the questions will come on. Great. I have a few other questions to add in here, so I'm going to do that just now. Okay, nice one. Oh, let's pause this. Now that we have finished putting all our questions in, I can see, let's pull me over, I can see all of the questions down on the left, and I can see all of the time markers on the video as well. So I'm now going to hit finish. Okay, and this is going to be our finished product. So I'm going to pull me over to the left, and we've got a few options here. We can either double check the questions and answers that we've given. We can assign to our Google Classrooms or to our pupils. We can edit, we can duplicate, we can delete, and we can change whether it's a public or a private video. So I'm going to hit assign, and I am going to assign it to my literacy class when tomorrow at, we've got to scroll down for this bit, 9 in the morning. So that's when they'll get the notification, always comes through here. Through at that time, sorry. Prevent skipping. If you want to stop your students from jumping from 1 minute to 2 minutes 50, or if they want to skip a question, turn that on to stop them from skipping questions and the video, turn it off to allow them to skip parts of the video. I like it to be on. You can turn on closed captions if you like, and you can post on Google Classroom. So we're going to click that on because we're posting here to Google Classroom so that our children know to go on here. So we're going to hit assign. Once we've done that, we are done. Now I'm not going to show you the names of my pupils. They are all down here as a list. I can see there we go. We can see how long they've watched the video for. We can see the grade that they got, whether they got 100 out of 100 or 10 out of 100 or 5 out of 10. It will appear here. The time, whenever they last watched the video, whether they've turned it in or not, and we've got a few other options here to reset them. We don't want to do that. Let's see the start date. Well, it'll be over there in the video. There we are. We can share the assignment. I'm just going to make it a wee bit bigger. We can share the assignment with others. We can go live as well, so everybody answers the questions at the same time. We can reset everybody's progress. We can export all the grades. We can download any grades to our computers, and we can delete the assignment as well. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. That would be fantastic. That'd be great. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day. Enjoy, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.